So who's responsible for the air we breathe in Tameside? Well, this might surprise you, but it's all of us. I am when I ask Dad to drop me into town. You are when you drive your car to the corner shop, and they are taking the kids to school. Businesses, schools, and employers too. So let me explain. It's all about air pollution, what causes it, why it's harmful, and what we can do about it together. When people say air or particle pollution or emissions, it's just different ways of talking about the gases and tiny particles that affect the quality of our air. If air pollution rises too high, like along busy roads with queuing traffic, it can harm our health. And air quality is a measure of whether the air is clean enough for us to stay healthy. For people with conditions like asthma, lung disease and some allergies, high levels of air pollution can quickly make their breathing worse and irritate the eyes, nose and throat. But over the years, it can affect everyone, contributing to things like lung cancer, strokes and heart disease. It's hard to think that something we can't see and touch can be harmful to our health. But then my granddad told me about when he was young with the smoke and fog, or smog, caused by pollution from factories, chimneys and coal fires. So, in 1956, the government passed laws that helped improve air quality. Although we can't see air pollution today, it's still there, but what causes it has changed. In Greater Manchester, well over 60% of the two most harmful emissions come from road transport. So there's a plan that includes Tameside to improve air quality, especially along some of our main roads. Schools are getting involved, helping kids to understand the problem. But everyone who lives and works here can make a real difference. How? Well, there are two ways we can try to avoid air pollution harming our health. We can reduce our exposure by knowing when it's likely to be at its worst, along busy roads, in queuing traffic or in hot weather, and we can also reduce pollution by walking, cycling or using public transport in place of short car journeys, by not leaving the engine idling, and by car sharing to work or school. So all that's healthier for us and good for the environment too. Now we all understand more about air quality, let's make our neighbourhoods places where we all want to walk, cycle and get out of our cars. If you want to know more about air quality in Tameside and what you, your family, school or business can do, you can read the full report by our Director of Population Health. Visit the website now, www.tameside.gov.uk/public health reports.